Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss the day 2 of Science 8 Quarter 4 Week 3 under Uniform Circular Motion. This is performance task for students. Objectives: explain how velocity, acceleration, and force act on an object in circular motion. Perform a simple experiment demonstrating uniform circular motion and demonstrate cooperation and responsibility during group experimentation. Let us have this scenario before doing the activity. What force keeps the stopper moving in a circular path? Okay, what force keeps the stopper moving in a circular path? Okay, that is the so-called the centripetal force, the moving inward. What happens to the stopper's motion after the string is released? Okay, that will eventually stop. Does the speed change during circular motion? Okay, that is in a circular pattern that is in uniform, but you can change the speed by increasing the force you applied on the string. For the activity describing uniform circular motion, the objective of this activity: describe how velocity, acceleration, and force act on an object moving in a circular path. The group roles: we have the leader, timer, recorder, materials manager, and observer. For materials: rubber stopper or small object, string, stopwatch, open space. And for the safety precautions, perform the activity in an open area. Keep a safe distance from the person twirling the object. For procedure, tie the object securely to the string. Swing the object in a horizontal circular path. Observe the direction of motion. Release the string and observe the path taken by the object. Okay, this is the rubrics or the criteria. Okay, for guide questions, what is the direction of velocity at different points? Okay, the velocity is always tangent to the circular path and follows the direction of motion, hitting the circle at one point. Why does the object move in a circle? Okay, the tension in the string provides a centripetal force that pulls the object toward the center. The tension in the string provides a centripetal force that pulls the object toward the center.